Hello everyone, welcome to this cybersecurity hands-on training course. Okay, our goal throughout this training is to equip you with practical cybersecurity skills using real-world tools and scenarios. Okay, so cybersecurity is an ever-evolving field, and understanding its various aspects is crucial for anyone looking to secure systems, detect vulnerabilities, or even conduct ethical activities. Okay, so unlike theoretical cybersecurity courses, this session will be highly practical and allowing you to apply concept in realistic security environments. Okay, so by the end of this course, you will have hands-on experience with techniques used in offensive security, defensive security, forensics, and social engineering. Okay, so you will learn how to think like an attacker while maintaining the mindset of a defender and ensuring that security threats can be identified and mitigated effectively. Okay, so let's begin by exploring the core domains of cybersecurity that will form the foundation of our hands-on experience. Let's take a look at how this training is structured. So, this course is divided into 7 modules, each focus on a critical aspect of cybersecurity. Okay, throughout this training, we will not just discuss theoretical concept but also engage in practical exercises to apply this skill in real world scenarios. Okay, so the aim is to provide hands-on experience in different areas of cybersecurity, including reconnaissance, web application security, network exploitations, malware analysis, digital forensic, and social engineering. Okay, so we begin with introduction to practical cybersecurity, where we will explore the 3 major domains of cybersecurity: offensive security, defensive security, and forensics. Okay, so this module will highlights the importance of ethical hacking and the legal and ethical boundaries of cybersecurity practice. Okay, and how security professionals work to protect digital environments. Okay, and understanding these domains is crucial for recognizing different cybersecurity role and responsibilities. Okay, so the second modules, ascent and reconnaissance, okay, focus on gathering information from publicly available sources, and open source intelligence play a virtual role in cybersecurity, or whether for ethical hacking, threat intelligence, or investigations. Okay, and we will differentiate between passive and active reconnaissance, where passive techniques involve gathering information without directly integrated with a target, and while active reconnaissance involves direct engagement. Okay, and you will also learn how to analyze metadata and identify exposed credentials using tool like OSINT framework. Okay, and next we move into web application security and bug hunting. Okay, where we will explore vulnerabilities that hackers exploit in web applications, and web security flows such as SQL injections, cross-site scripting, and broken authentications are common attack vector that compromise sensitive data. Okay, and this module will provide practical experience in testing and securing web applications using platforms like Hack the Box and Damn Vulnerable Web Applications. Okay, and by the end of this module, you will have a hands-on experience in identifying and mitigating critical web vulnerabilities, and cyber attacks are not limited to web applications. Okay, so now in network security and exploitations, we will focus on analyzing and securing networks from threats. Okay, and you will learn how to capture and analyze network traffic and understand common attack techniques and exploit vulnerabilities such as SMB misconfigurations that allow unauthorized access. Okay, and understanding these network based attacks will provide insight into how attackers infiltrate systems and how and how defensive measures can be applied to prevent them. And a major component of cybersecurity involves understanding malicious software. Okay, and in malware analyze and reverse engineering, we will explore how malware operates and how it spread and how attackers craft sophisticated malicious code. Okay, and this module provides a hands-on approach to analyzing real-world malware samples in a controlled environment, and you will also learn about reverse engineering techniques which are initial for dissecting malware and identifying its functionalities. Okay, and developing defensive strategy against it. Okay, and once an attacker occurs, investigating and responding effectively is critical. Okay, and in digital forensics and incidents response, we will delve into MEMD forensics, file recovery, and attack footprint identifications. Okay, and forensic analyze helps understand how an attack happened and when data was compromised and how security breaches can be prevented in the future. Okay, so you will gain practical experience in extracting and analyzing digital evidence to reconstruct cyber incidents. Okay, and the final module, social engineering and phishing simulations, highlights one of the most exploited aspect of cybersecurity, the human factor. Okay, and cyber criminals often manipulate individuals into revealing sensitive information through deceptive tactics. Okay, this module will focus on simulating phishing attack, detecting social engineering attempts, and understanding psychological manipulations techniques used by attackers. Okay, and learning how to recognize and defend against these threats is initial in preventing security breaches. Okay, and by the end of this training, you will have comprehensive skill set that cover both offensive and defensive security strategies. Okay, and each module is designed to build open the previous ones and allowing for a a structured learning experience that ensures a strong understanding of cybersecurity principles and their practical applications. Okay, so cybersecurity is a vast field that encompasses various domains, and each play a crucial role in protecting digital assets, securing systems, and investigating cyber threats. Okay, so to understand cybersecurity comprehensively, we dive into three main domains. First is the offensive security, and second defensive security, and third one is forensics. Okay, so each of these area focuses on a different aspect of cybersecurity, where it is a attacking system to find weakness, defending network from threats, or investigating breaches to uncover malicious activities. Okay, so this session provided the theoretical knowledge necessary to understand this cybersecurity concept. Okay, and in our next session we will transition from theoretical to hand-on experience, where you will apply and what you have learned using real world tools, and conduct security assessments and analyzing vulnerabilities in our control environment. And cybersecurity is best learned through practice and by working on practical exercise. Okay, and you will develop the skills needed to identify, prevent, and respond to cyber threats effectively. Okay, this is just the beginning of your cybersecurity journey. Okay, stay curious, stay ethical, and always be ready to adapt to new challenges in this ever evolving field. Okay, so enroll now and start your cybersecurity journey.